Hey guys, we're back with this week's mega edition. First up, Slot 1 Coffee. We're changing over to Barismo. So this particular coffee, La Bandera, it's a Costa Rican coffee. It's a branded relationship with Barismo. They met Diego at a cupping and absolutely fell in love with him. He is, it's a family farm, and it's actually his first year taking over the farm from his father. And the farm is actually sits on top of a mountain. It's the highest farm in this particular region. He pays particular attention to the way his coffee is processed. It's something that catches Barismo's eye. So he's replanting the farm with really sweet coffee cherries, and he takes really particular attention to the drying process. So it's a fully washed coffee, but when he dries them, he's built this like wooden tier system, and he dries them on and rotates them on, and it makes an exceptional cup of coffee. Barismo loved it, we loved it, and it's in our coffee slot for coffee one. So get a taste and sample it out. Next up, the Enzo. Not to inflate Enzo's head, but this is probably one of the more popular sandwiches that we had in Clover history, so hats off to him. We've never got better reviews on any sandwich than this one. And what it has is a sweet pepper relish, fried eggplant. It has sliced provolone cheese, which is really fun to smell, and that's some of the smells you get coming from the sandwich. And we actually have fried potatoes on top, and we're using our French fries. So everybody has different opinions what it tastes like, but in the end it tastes awesome. And that's what's replacing the tomato sandwich. So what happened with the tomato sandwich is we brought it on board, and I didn't realize that January and February are actually the slowest production days for that our farm tomatoes. Due to weather, sunlight, and they're actually down 75% in production of tomatoes. So we just pulled off the menu. We're going to wait until April 1st and launch the Enzo, and then we're going to bring that sandwich back on in April and feature the bitter tomato. Next up, fruit salad. So we're still currently running the same fruit salads last week, which has blood orange, Honeycrisp apple, watermelon radish, and red grapefruit coconut in it. Something we're moving to next week is pineapple and kiwis are really starting to come out of season and be really sweet right now. And we also want to piggyback it with Michael Doctor's turnips. So what you'll be seeing roll out next week when you start talking to customers about it when you're serving fruit salads is this. So it has pineapple, kiwi, turnips from Michael Doctor, black poppy seeds, and that's the accent, and lemon juice, and a little drizzle of honey on top. It's really, really awesome. We're really excited about this. It's just popping up next week. 3 p.m., Plantanos. So it's really simple. It was actually one of the first 3 p.m.s that we ever featured. I brought a case of plantains to the MIT truck, and they needed I needed an outlet to get rid of them, and I gave them to Air when he returned to the MIT truck, and they started running these as a 3 p.m. special. That's how 3 p.m. specials came about. So Plantanos is when the plantain is either really yellow and some black, or almost all black, and basically all the starches have converted to sugar. So when you fry them up, they're really sweet and gummy, and they actually get really dark because there's so much sugar there. So that's okay, they're supposed to look this dark. But we're going to cut them exactly like we are for a plantain sandwich. We're going to fry them exactly the same way for the same amount of time. We'll leave them out of the fryer. They're just getting dusted with a little bit of pepper and salt and served in the fried punch. So 3 p.m., they're awesome. We'll have those for next week. The last thing I want to talk about is sodas. So we actually have a honey soda series this week. It's honey soda this week. It's new to what we've been doing previously, and our soda spec has been white sugar with a cup of some sort of seasonal fruit, salt and lemon juice, and we wanted to broaden our soda database using some natural sweeteners that nature has in store for us. So instead of using sugar, we're using honey. And it has a recipe on it, so it has a different sweetness. So it's going to be in soda slot 3. Make sure you reference the recipe when you're making it because it's different from all the other sodas. Have fun with it. It's honey from Champlain Valley in Vermont. It's awesome. Thanks, guys.